Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to completely prevent senders from changing template fields, so they can't move, edit, delete, or add fields. BoldSign's template field configuration gives template creators complete control over how templates are used by senders. In the template settings, you can decide exactly how much flexibility a sender gets, or you can lock it down completely. When senders are allowed to modify fields, they may unintentionally delete required fields, which can disrupt the signing flow, change field types, or add extra fields that do not follow compliance or branding guidelines. Even small adjustments to field placement can affect formatting. These unintended changes lead to avoidable errors, additional rework, and potential compliance risks. Disabling all field configuration options locks the template, so senders cannot add, edit, or delete any fields. When the options to allow senders to add new fields, edit or delete fields, and set default values for fields are turned off, the form fields in the template become fully locked. The template can only be used exactly as designed, and the configure fields step is skipped entirely. Senders can still fill in the appropriate information or rely on predefined workflows to populate data automatically, but they cannot alter the field structure or layout in any way. It is ideal for regulated documents, standardized agreements, or any template that must be sent exactly as designed. Imagine an HR manager creating a standardized job application template and sharing it with HR associates, requiring each of them to send it exactly as designed, without any field changes. Here's how to set this up. First, log into your BoldSign account. Click Create New Template. Enter the template title and description in their respective fields. Next, upload the form and define the role for candidates. To prevent senders from modifying field settings, scroll down to the Template Usage Settings section and go to Field Configuration. Here, three options appear that control how much permission the sender has over the fields in the document. You can enable or disable these based on the level of control you want senders to have. In this HR scenario, the manager does not want any sender to add or edit the form fields. To achieve this, turn off all three options. When all three options are disabled, the sender cannot add, edit, or delete form fields, and the Configure Fields page is skipped for them. Click Next to open the Configure Fields page. As the template creator, add all required fields to the document and customize each field as needed. Make sure to include all necessary instructions, because senders cannot make any changes to the form fields when using this template. Once everything looks good, click Save Template to save your fully locked template. Now let's see how this feature works. Consider that I have already shared the job application template with the HR associates, and now I switch to one of their accounts to demonstrate the process from their perspective. Choose Shared Templates from the Templates menu, select the required template, and click Use Template from the context menu. All template details are already set. Simply enter the signer's details on this page. Next, you only see options to preview or send the document, because the Configure Fields page is restricted by the template creator. Click Preview to review the form fields exactly as configured. Please note that you cannot add, delete, or customize any of the form fields. When you're ready, click Send to send the document. This is how you ensure your template's form fields remain exactly as designed. With BoldSign's template field locking feature, your carefully designed forms stay exactly the way you created them. No replaced fields, no change settings, no extra fields added at the last minute. Just clean, consistent, error-free data on every send. If you found this video useful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thank you for watching.